welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 21st of January, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
The 21st, 2 more months until spring. Can you believe that, Red?
No, I'm hoping it hurries up because it was cold today.
It was cold now, it was cold. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Alright, let's talk about this week in the shop and projects completed. Mom got the mom cave cleaned up. Did a good job. You can see the floor, you can move around, you can work, you can do pretty much anything in there now. A lot of hard work, but it is finally done. I got me a MacBook Pro, older one, a little bit older one, with iMovie, and been practicing pretty much all weekend with that. I picked it up Friday from our buddies up at Sunset Auction House up there. Classic, is it Classic Jewelry and Gold?
Gold.
Picked that up on Friday and spent literally all night, Friday night, Saturday morning until about 4 o'clock working on it, trying to figure it out. Turned around and did the same thing Sunday night, and I think
Saturday night. After the auction.
Yeah, after auction. And I think I've got it pretty much figured out. I made a couple little movies on it. We're going to actually try to put today's video on.
Yeah.
See what happens.
See what happens.
Loretta worked on a beautiful cedar top table. Now I took a picture of it with the camera. I am going to try to put it in the movie somewhere in here so you can see it. But it's a gorgeous table sitting right down here in front of me. The tabletop's all done. You're pretty much done with the tabletop. Alrighty. And then I finished the sawmill tune-up and leveling, and Daniel helped me with that, especially with the leveling. We ran into a couple of problems. We actually found out where one of the rails, I think, is about a 1/16 of an inch higher than the rest of them. We measured the rails, and sure enough, one was a little bit higher. But I think we got it back up to about where it was when we originally put it up a while back. Then we went to an auction on Saturday night.
Yeah, that was fun.
Went up to
it was
auction.
packed.
That was a packed place.
Packed.
But still a lot of good prices.
Yeah.
A lot of good prices. Matter of fact, this cedar wardrobe that we got over here,
yeah, that's beautiful.
To the right, just out of the camera view. Actually got it for a couple of bucks. Really picked it up for a steal. There's actually more lumber in it of all cedar. It's all cedar. Needs a little bit of love and attention. We're going to get on that. We're going to start on that.
It's going to be beautiful when it's done.
It was a great auction. All right, let's move on. Now let's talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. Now we got a lot going on. We're going to mill up some cookies, not cookies, but wood cookies for our good friend Will. Now when he texted me the other day and said this is Will, didn't have him in my phone since I had to do the whole factory reset on my phone. And I said, which Will? Is this Superman Will? And sure enough, it was Superman Will. And he's needing these for his fiance. I should say girlfriend, but his fiance's friend is getting married, so we're going to cut those up. I think we're using maple, if I remember what Daniel told me correctly, because Daniel actually cut the tree down for him. So we got some maple out there we're going to cut up for him. We're going to be sawing some logs, a cedar and a red oak log, or at least we're going to try to this week and get that on the mill. Red has to use her scanning cut to make some letters. What letters are you making?
It's the name Linden, and they're going to be in black, gold, and pink glitter paper.
Alright, that'll be cool. And then Daniel, later in the week, probably on Saturday, Daniel is probably going to help me take some lumber to market. Some of this wood we got sitting around.
Yay! That is so good because I need some room for some more lumber I'm sawing.
That's true.
So yeah, I need some room.
So you're going to need some room.
Need some more stacking room.
Daniel and I are going to make some room. We're going to take off some of this older lumber that's been sitting around for a while, and Mama's just not feeling any love for it. She can't see any projects in it, so we're going to let somebody else who can enjoy it and do something with it, But Daniel will probably be helping me with that on Saturday. Then we're going to work on the cedar wardrobe we picked up at the auction one we just talked about. It needs a lot of love. It needs a couple of boards on the back. It needs a couple of boards on the bottom. It needs some new hinges on there. But it's a nice cedar wardrobe. It's 32 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and about 65 inches tall. So we're really looking forward to getting started on that. Let's move on, guys. Well, actually, I think that's just about it for this evening. Red, do you have anything for us?
Yes, I'm going to be making the cutting board for my friend at work.
Right.
I believe we're going to use hickory for that. That'll be really good. I'm going to finish the cedar top table.
All right.
Completely. And we're going to complete it. It'll look gorgeous. And let me know if you want to see some videos or some on each of those, and we'll put some comments below and have fun with that.
Right, so if y'all are interested in seeing Red do a finish up on this cedar top table and make that cutting board for a friend, let us know if you'd like to see a couple quick project videos on that.
Also, I'll be sawing some cedar and red oak logs, maybe some quarter sawn. I've never done that. That ought to be interesting.
All right.
And so watch for those videos coming up.
Alrighty, well y'all keep an eye out and see what Red does on the mill next. She's talking about quarter sawn red oak, and you know that's some pretty stuff. Some people say the white oak's prettier. I don't know. I kind of like the red oak. I like that when you hit that grain just right on the red oak. Well, I really do think that's just about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back. Welcome back to your shop. Wow, where did that come from? Okay.